So in this upper body warm-up, we're going to be doing some hanging, okay? So I'm going to be using these handles here. You may have a straight bar. Now, the thing I want you to really take note of here is the use of my feet on the ground and how I'm assisting the intensity of that hang or that stretch throughout my upper body, more specifically through my back, thinking my lats, my teres, my serratus, everything here that can expand and get length and stretch out. Okay, so this is going to be in a warm-up, so we want to treat it as such. So depending on what you have availability to, whether that is more of a high straight bar or something that is more handle-based, I want you to start with your feet on the ground, and if you're going from something that's higher, I want you to try to use a box to bring the ground up closer to you. So what we're going to be doing here is starting to deload that a little bit. So I'm going to start to ease into this hang a little bit. You're going to notice I'm going to be using less and less of my feet, and eventually I'm going to bring my feet off the ground. Start to breathe. Nice, controlled breaths throughout. Focus on getting some length here. Involve a little bit of my mid-back. Start to shrug up and down a little bit. Get some length in that tissue and start to stretch out. Start to breathe in, get my abs involved. Start to stretch my abs out. Extend my hips. And you're going to notice that I'm just trying to flow throughout this upper body dynamic warm-up. Okay? As you go, you can start to come over to one side. You can lean in. You can bring your back foot across, or the same side foot across. Lean into that stretch. Get those lats involved. I'll come over to the other side. Get everything nice and stretched out. Lean over and explore. Just find places that are tight, and we're going to be breathing into them. So when you find a place that's tight, just want you to hang out there for just a moment and focus on breathing into that, breathing in and out in a natural rhythm. Try not to hold your breath here throughout these upper body stretches. So again, just explore and just spend some time lengthening all of these tissues throughout your upper body, throughout your back. And that's going to be our upper body hanging dynamic warm-up.